Welcome to Scrum. After finding their rhythm through Scrum events, Alex's team was moving faster, but they needed clarity. What exactly were they building? How would they measure progress? That's where Scrum Artifacts came in. Scrum includes 3 key artifacts: the Product Backlog, the Sprint Backlog, and the Increment. These tools help teams visualize work, focus on priorities, and deliver real value. Maya, the product owner, owns the Product Backlog. It's a dynamic, evolving list of everything the product might need. Each item is prioritized based on user value, urgency, and feedback. Every week, Maya reviews the backlog with the team. They break large items into user stories, estimate effort, and ensure the top items are ready for the next sprint. At sprint planning, the developers select items from the product backlog to create the sprint backlog. This becomes their plan for the sprint, a shared commitment to deliver specific outcomes. Each day, the team updates the sprint backlog. Tasks move across the board, from to-do to in progress to done, giving everyone visibility and focus. At the end of the sprint, all completed items are combined into an increment, which is a working version of the product. For Alex's team, that might be a new feature ready for release. But what counts as done? Alex, as the Scrum Master, helped the team define their own definition of done, which is a checklist that ensures quality, testing, and completeness before anything is shipped. When used well, Scrum Artifacts prevent misunderstandings, eliminate guesswork, and help the team track real progress. They turn scattered ideas into structured delivery. With these artifacts, Alex's team doesn't just build faster, they build smarter.